Thank you for watching this brief app demonstration. Prometheus is the largest independent developer of DNA apps on the Fiserv app market, specializing in integrated solutions for financial institutions. This demo shows our Debit Card Network Reconciliation application, designed to improve balancing efficiency when comparing data from the DNA core and the Debit Card Network reports. The Debit Card Network Reconciliation app was designed to make the current convoluted recon process significantly more simple. Typically, this process involves pulling data from multiple sources, DNA and the debit card processor reports, and working through Monarch, Access, or Excel to tie everything out. What we've done here is simplify that into a much more streamlined process directly within DNA. This functionality lives right within DNA under Services, Batch, Load, and Manage Files. So there's no need to move outside the platform or rely on additional tools like Monarch to convert the files or an Access database to perform the matching. From here, the user selects the ATM recon file produced by DNA, along with the corresponding transaction report from their debit card processor. That could be Fiserv EFT's CD10 and IF67 files shown here, or similar files from Valera or Visa DPS. The file input fields on the screen change based on the processor selected with a calculation variable, which helps prevent errors. The app is flexible depending on how the institution is set up today and is still usable if changing processors in the future. Once the files are selected, the user simply clicks Process, and the application handles the reconciliation automatically. A summary of the process is shown here on the screen. Behind the scenes, it's comparing the transactions in the ATM recon file to those on the network transaction report, identifying anything that doesn't match, and organizing those transactions for review. What the user gets immediately is the totals displayed right here in the screen, giving a quick summary of the reconciliation. At the same time, a clean exceptions file that highlights only the transactions that need attention is produced. So instead of working through large datasets or sorting in Excel, you can go straight to what's actually out of balance. One thing that's helpful here is that the application also validates the results by comparing totals across the files. So there's an added level of confidence that everything has been fully accounted for. Those totals are also stored in a file for later review and archival if needed. Overall, it's just a more direct path from raw transaction files to a clear set of exceptions, without the manual steps in between. If your debit card processor is not currently supported by the application, please let us know. Many of the file types supported by this application were added at the request of our clients. Thank you again for watching this video. If you'd like more information or have any further questions, please email us at dnaappsupport@prometheusfs.com.